Assalamu alaikum student. Today we are going to study the second lecture of maths for grade 3. Now we start our work from page number 16. Our first topic is predecessor and successor. Predecessor is the number that comes just before another number. Pre means before. For example, 6 is the predecessor of 7. Successor. Successor is a number that comes just after another number. Succeed means just after or follow. For example, 5 is the successor of 4. Let us practice question number 1. Write the predecessor. The predecessor of 6492 is 6491. Write the successor. The successor of 1596 is 1597. Complete question number 1 and 2 on your book. Next, page number 17, question number 3 is fill in the boxes. The greatest one digit number is 9 because after 9 we have 10 and 10 has 2 digits. So 9 is the greatest one digit number and its successor is, after 9 we have 10 and 10 is the smallest 2 digit number. The greatest 2 digit number is 99. After 99 its successor is 100. 100 is the smallest 3 digit number. The greatest 3 digit number is 999 because after 999 we have 1000 and 1000 has 4 digit. So 999 is the greatest 3 digit number. Its successor is 1000. 1000 is the smallest 4 digit number. Now look at question number 4. Identify the circle number as predecessor or successor. Then put a tick in the correct box. We have two numbers and circle digit. Find the circle digit of which is the successor or predecessor. Here 5698, 5697. Circle digit is the successor of the other number. So we put tick in the successor box. Complete this question. Next topic is comparing 4 and 5 digit numbers. Remember that crocodile likes to eat bigger number, so he always open his mouth toward bigger number. For comparing we have different symbols. Here we have two symbols. This symbol means greater than, this means smaller than. For example, we have two numbers 1625, 1620. We always start comparing from left side from thousand place. Here thousand, tens, 1000, 100 and tens places are same and difference is at ones place. Here 5 and 0, which is greater? 5. So this number 1625 is greater than 1620. And we compare which number, which place value? We compare ones place value. So write ones here. Complete this question and complete page number 19. Let us practice question number 1 and 2 on your book. Now next topic is ordering 4 and 5 digit number. In ordering we have two types of order, ascending order and descending order. Ascending means writing the given numbers from smallest to the largest number. For example, put these numbers in ascending order. We have different numbers, 4 digit numbers, and write from smallest to largest. First write 3199, 4769, 4829, and the biggest one is 4932. Descending order. Descending means writing the numbers from largest to the smallest one. For example, we have different numbers and write the biggest one first. Here 8944 is the biggest one, largest one, so write it first, then write 8491, then 8149, and 4819 is the smallest one. Complete question number 1 and 2 on your book. Next topic is number line. Number line is a straight horizontal line with numbers displayed on it at equal distance. Here their distance is equal along the length 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and the distance remains the same. A number on the right is greater than a number on the left side. Here 2 is greater than 1, 3 is greater than 2, 7 is greater than 6. Now look at this number line and we skip counting in twos. Bunny jumps from 3602, 3604. There are different numbers displayed on this number line and Bunny is jumping in twos. For twos, we add two numbers in this number and he get 3604. Then he jumped two numbers, he gets 3606 and onward. Let us practice question number 1. Do skip counting in twos and write the number. Here 2500 to 2510. Write first number here 2500, then add two numbers 2502, then write 2504, 2506, 2508, and the last number is 2510. We stopped here. Complete question number 1. Here Bunny is skip counting in threes. Here we have different numbers on number line and Bunny is jumping in threes. We add three numbers in each number. Plus 3, 1523, then we add three numbers in the last digit 1526, 1529. So this goes on. Complete question number 2. Look at page number 23, question number 3. Skip counting in fours. We skip count in 4 digit, 4 numbers. Question number 4 and question number 5, question number 3 and question number 4 on your book. Complete all pages from page number 16 to 23 on your book. Thank you.